This is a Lie 7-pan screwdriver from the United States dismantle. This pin is too big. When the back cover of the machine is removed, you can see that this is also an all-in-one brushless motor. This machine has a certain age. It was probably a machine from 10 years ago at that time. We were still popular in China when brushed motors were popular, and Richie has taken the lead in making an integrated brushless motor. Open it. I can see that this is the so-called one-piece brushless motor with nails and rotor and rear lugs, and it's all integrated in one. The plastic kit inside assembles it into a shell that won't be followed to control it with a concentricity. The advantage of this is like this. The disadvantage is that its volume is relatively large. Let's look from the bottom up. First of all, the prongs. It is here as a hidden soldering, soldered inside this prong. We can also see the thickness of the shell. We can see that the thickness of the lagging and the shell belongs to a 1-to-1 configuration. And the whole outside is covered with a lagging, which is not intermittent. And here is very detailed just now when I dismantled the shell and saw that there was an iron wire here. I don't know why this DC motor is doing this, but why this machine is on the machine. It has a speed adjustment in 3 gears, and the adjustment panel is set above the head of the machine. Is this place where we see the overall mechanical structure. Like this. The front is the same as the 6U machine we dismantled in the previous section. It has 2 boxes. We need to put 2 boxes out and insert them when we take it down. Pull it out. Hey, how is this missing a box? This machine is a second-hand. It should have been refurbished or maintained. This box has not been put in. In this way, we continue to look at the use of the switch. Wow, how to use our domestic Gaben switch. Is it not repaired later? Take a look at this. Is it not repaired? This glue is still more obvious or standing on it and has not been dismantled. Here's this. The control board of the machine is also integrated in the lower part and the hall board above. And this green color is integrated into one board. It can't be dismantled. He needs to dismantle this shell to completely take it out and then look good. The bearing uses YQQ, which is a code name for NEF Japan MB bearings. How can this machine be put together in a mess and go anywhere in any country? So now is it to continue to take apart the scale in front of us? Let's take a look at the picks. After they are removed, we pull them out or seal them. The ruler ring is also serious here, because there is a state of lack of oil, and the shell in front is not very satisfactory. It is actually a plastic one. The inside of pure plastic is also plastic. I thought it was just a plastic shell wrapped around metal for heat dissipation, but I didn't expect it to be a gearbox shell made of all plastic. If you want to use aluminum, it will definitely be more durable. Let's be honest, it's also a double planetary gear, which is nothing to see. I told you about it. A brushless one-stage motor like this doesn't need to be snapped up. It can do a job. Let's plug this power on and take a look at this battery. Or do we have to spit it out? I don't know why it's done so big. Let's press the switch. Is such a structure very simple? And finally, let me reveal it to you. A lot of what we produce in Asia Pacific is Shanghai Ruiki Foundry. Okay, we have this video like this, nothing to see, something for hundreds of dollars is very simple.